Hello, my name is Andy Fries, and this is the Mech 140 Robotics Final for Arundel Community College's Mechatronics Certificate Program. In this project, we were required to build a robot that would follow a line and pick up and sort cans. So I'll be going through step by step of how the robot works, and I hope you enjoy. The robot follows a certain procedure once it's first powered on. First, it'll set its arm and hand to its initial condition, in which the arm is up and the hand is open. Next, it'll drive forward until it sees a line using one of the 3 line trackers located at the bottom of the robot. Once it finds the line, it'll continually follow it until it sees a can. It'll see a can using a ultrasonic sensor. Once it sees the can, it'll lower the arm and close the hand on it, and from there it'll use a 4th line tracker to determine its color. Once it knows its color, a rack and pinion system attached to 2 bins will sort the can according to its color. The robot is powered by an Arduino microchip, which once it gets powered will run its whole program. As we see, the arm moves back and the robot begins to move forward looking for the line. Looking at our program, we can see at the start, once it's first powered, it moves both the hand and the arm in the correct position. It does this by using both servos, which are attached to pretty much every motor on this robot, as well as potentiometers which measure its position. It moves the servos until it gets to the correct position. Once it's there, it detaches the arm and hand motor and reattaches the wheel motors. As the robot finds the line, it'll start actually tracking it using the previously mentioned line trackers. The line trackers are fairly simple. As it sees the white line, it goes from low to high, and using that, we can tell the robot exactly where it is on the line. When the line is in the middle, it continues to move forward, but as the line shifts over to the left side, and even worse when it gets removed from the line trackers completely, it'll turn sharper and sharper until eventually it is almost rotating backwards upon itself. This allows it to make very sharp turns as it's following the line. The ultrasonic sensor sees a can, it'll run a sequence called getCan. From there, it'll detach the wheel motors and reattach the arm and hand motors. From there, it'll go step by step the process to pick up the can, which is to lower the arm, close the hand, detect the color, shift the rack, and then move the can back up and into the racks and release it into the bins. The gear for the rack and pinion is located behind the arm, and using the racks that are attached to the tray that holds the bins, it allows it to slide back and forth. The motor that powers the gear is located under the robot alongside the motors for the wheels. The program simply uses time to keep track of how far the bins have slid. An encoder was eventually added to the setup, but actually was never used for this program. Once the robot has picked up the can, it'll resume following the line until it finds another can. This will continue indefinitely until it gets de-energized. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed watching my can pickup robot.